we could fly. Oh, we could fly.
G'day, I'm Off the Richter and this is Crypto EDU. Today we're going to show you how to install Metamask. Just Google Metamask. First link will take you to the Metamask site and click on the Install Metamask to your browser link. Metamask is a browser-based crypto wallet that will allow you to basically drag around your cryptocurrency with you rather than having to transfer it from site to site. Once it has been downloaded, it will automatically allow you to add it to your browser. Works with Brave, Chrome, and Mozilla Firefox. Okay, we're going to create a new wallet. In another video, we'll show you how to import an existing wallet. Handy for if you get a new computer or something along those lines. Again, make sure you have a really nice, strong password. Letters, capital letters, some numbers. Don't use words or your birthday. Agree with the terms. Now I've fast forwarded the video, but when you first download it, it will show you a video showing you about the importance of your security keys and your recovery passphrase. Don't ever show that to someone. Don't store it digitally. Write it down, put it in a lockbox, a safe deposit box, or something along those lines. If you lose that and you forget your password, you will not be able to get your crypto back. Now I'm going to let you see this one because this is just a throwaway wallet that I've used to step you through this. But that's the passphrase you would want to write down and keep. If you forget your password, you can go through a recovery process and you will need to know these words. Now with this particular wallet, Metamask, it allows you to select the words and put them in, and you'll see at the end I've purposely made a mistake. You can just drag them around. They have to be put in the correct order. If you get them in the wrong order, rather than having to start again or delete words, you can just drag them around from the top box once they're all in there. You'll just drag ribbon into the correct spot. You can see I'm making a few mistakes there. Now I've got the order correct. And just hit the confirm button. Then you have a brief little blurb about the capabilities and some of the new things coming to Metamask. And there we have it. It was originally an Ethereum mainnet based Metamask, but it does support the Binance Smart Chain, or the BSC. Have an activity. There's no activity in there, of course, but every time you make a trade, it will be listed in there. Or even if it's not a trade, just moving coins around. You can create multiple accounts within the one Metamask. You can use different accounts for different purposes if you like to separate things. Now, the next step we're going to do is add the Binance Smart Chain to our Metamask. If you just Google add BSC to Metamask wallet, and the first link, click on it and scroll down a little bit, and there it is there, mainnet. Network name, Smart Chain. Click on where it says Ethereum mainnet and then add network, and you'll see it's just got all the same details: network name, chain ID, and you simply just copy and paste those into the respecting details. Currency symbol, block explorer, and the one I missed up the top there, new RPC URL. Just copy and paste all those in. Save that, and now we have the Binance Smart Chain accessible in our Metamask wallet. And there is your wallet code or your wallet address. So if you wanted to send something from, if you wanted to send some BNB from your Binance account, you would send it to that address. Now that Q code can be used if you install MetaMask or any type of wallet on your any type of wallet that is compatible with MetaMask on your phone. You can use the app to scan that Q code, and the app will automatically import your wallet onto your phone. You can view your account on the BSC scan. This will have all sorts of details about your purchases and sales and transactions of your cryptocurrencies. Anything to do with the smart chain will be listed in here, or anything to do with that wallet will be listed in here. It's also available for anybody else to see on the smart chain. All transactions are publicly visible on the smart chain, but there are no identifying details on that page, so no one can identify who you are. So that's it. That's your MetaMask wallet set up to do trades on the BSC network. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'm Off the Richter, and this is Crypto EDU.